So hi, my name's Erin Maier, and this past summer I worked with faculty and other students in the University of Iowa's Astronomy and Physics Department to commission the Van Allen Observatory, which is where we are standing right now. It's a nice big fiberglass dome on the roof of Van Allen Hall, which is on the University of Iowa campus. And what we have here is our telescopes. We have the big main optical telescope, about half a meter across. And then underneath it, we have our lovely little solar telescope, which lets us look at the sun. And then way up on top, we have our planetary telescope, which, as the name implies, lets us look at planets and other closer to Earth objects. We spent most of the summer installing instruments, installing software, running a bunch of tests, and pretty much just getting the telescopes ready for the fall semester. And there's still a little bit of a work in progress, but we're getting there. So I always liked space when I was growing up, but I never really thought I was going to make a career out of it. I came to the University of Iowa as a Chinese and International Studies student, but I took a general education course called Stars, Galaxies, and the Universe in my first year, and, well, here I am. And this project has just been really great, really fun, because A, I get to learn a lot more about telescopes, which are just really cool in general, and then B, it means that me and students like me, we can take what we're learning in the classroom and use it in practical applications without ever having to leave the campus, and actually without ever having to leave the department. And we're also planning to have the telescope open in the future for public observing. So once the weather gets nicer, if you're in Iowa City, feel free to stop by one of our public observing nights, which you can find on the Astronomy and Physics Department's webpage.